In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Riot Client if it won't open or launch on your PC. The first thing we need to do is close every Riot process. Start by opening the Task Manager with Control, Shift, Escape. Just search Riot at the top, select it, and in the top right, choose End Task. Then reopen the client and give it about 30 seconds. If the Riot Client still won't open, the next thing we'll check is its Windows permissions. Right-click the Riot Client shortcut and select Properties. Go across to Compatibility and enable Run this program as an administrator. Select Apply, OK, and reopen the Riot Client. Approve the administrator prompt and wait about 30 seconds. If it still isn't launching, corrupted local client data could be blocking it. Make sure to close every Riot process through Task Manager again. Now press Windows and R, type % local AppData % and press enter. Scroll down, find the Riot Games folder, and delete it. Now reopen the Riot Client. The first launch might take a little longer. The client rebuilds all the data. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing we're going to do is test for a conflicting background service. Press Windows and R, type msconfig, and press enter. Go to Services and enable Hide All Microsoft Services. Now select Disable All and scroll down and find VGC and enable the checkbox. If VGC isn't listed, just continue without it. Select Apply and OK, then restart your computer. After signing back into Windows, just open the Riot Client and give it about 30 seconds. If it opens now, one of the disabled third-party services is causing the conflict. Return to msconfig, select Normal Startup, and restart again after testing. If the Riot Client still won't launch, the last thing we're going to do is reinstall the client completely. This will delete the Riot Client files and local logs, so only continue after copying anything you need. Close every Riot process, go back to % local AppData %, and delete the Riot Games folder. Press Windows and R, type % program data %, and delete the Riot Games folder here as well. Then just empty a recycling bin to complete the removal. Now just go ahead and open the official page for the Riot game that you already use. Links in the description. I'll do Valorant for example. Download the installer, right click it, and select Run as Administrator. Click Install, wait for it to finish, and then restart your computer. The Riot Client will now be opening normally. If this helped, please consider subscribing and liking the video to help others find this fix too.